Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in that previous video we discussed related to laws of exponents, right? Related to that laws of exponents, here we are having that worksheet 1 problems. Okay ma? Let us see here what is the first problem. If x is equals to 5 by 3, y is equals to 6 by 10, then x power 6, y power 6 whole power 100 plus xy of 5000. Okay ma, this value we need to find out. Now see here, what we need to find out? X power 6, y power 6 whole power 100 value first we need to find out. Okay, otherwise first you better to simplify that what values are there inside of the brackets. Okay ma, now see here. X power 6, y power 6 whole power 100 plus xy. Okay, of means that is nothing but multiplication only, no, into 5000. Am I clear to you? Now here this is in the form of a power m whole power m, a power m into b power m, which is equals to ab whole power m formula, that is. Okay ma, a power m into b power m is equals to ab whole power m. Already we discussed now this type of exponents. Now see here, a power m into b power m is equals to ab whole power m. And in the same way here another formula also we have to use, that is a power m whole power n, which is equals to a power m into n, which is equals to a power mn. Understand ma? Now see here, apply the same concept here first. X into y whole power, here 6 into 100. Okay, here I applied that these two formulas also at a time. Okay, in plus x into y, here x into y into 5000. Clear? Yes. From this one, here what is the value of x here? X they given that 5 by 3. So just substitute that 5 by 3 here. 5 by 3 into y is equals to here 6 by 10. Whole power 6 into 100 is 600. Plus again x is equals to 5 by 3 into y is equals to 6 by 10. Okay ma? Into 5000. Now simplification say that here cancellations possible, no? 3 1s, 3 2s, and here 5 1s, 5 2s cancellation. Okay. After that here also same, 5 2s 10, 3 2s 6. Now here finally 2 by 2 whole power 600 plus 2 by 2. Okay. Total brackets into 5000. Now what is that value here? 2 by 2 means again 2 by 2 gets cancelled. Again we are having here 1. And here also 2 by 2 gets cancelled by 1 time. Which is equals to here brackets of 1 power 600 plus 1 into 5000. Okay ma? After that here 1 power 600. 1 multiplied itself by 600 times or 1000 times, whatever it may be. 1 multiplied itself by n number of times. Then also we will get it as 1 only, no answer. That's why here 1 plus 1 into 5000. Finally here 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. 2 into 5000. 2 into 5000 is equals to how much that answer? 2 into 5000. Which is equals to here 10,000. Okay ma? 10,000 to 5,000 is 10,000 only, no? Now here power notation, how we can write here? 10 to the power of, okay, 1 after how many zeros are there? 4 zeros are there. So just you have to keep that 10 to the power of 4. Understand ma? 10 to the power of 4 means 1 after 4 zeros will come. Okay, that's what here we got that answer, no? So finally what is that answer ma? Answer is 10 to the power of 4. Option A. Okay, and in the same way here second question what they given? If P is equals to 2 by 3, Q is equals to 1 by 2 and R is equals to 1 by 9. Again substitution only. Here then 1 by PQ whole power 4 into R square. Okay, now see here. First find that PQ value. Okay ma, better to find that PQ value, P into Q. So P is equals to 2 by 3 into Q is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, now here 2 and 2 gets cancelled, finally which is equals to 1 by 3. That is the value of PQ. Okay. Now here just substitute 1 by PQ whole power 4 into R square. R square means directly we can write that. Now here which is equals to 1 by PQ is equals to, we got that 1 by 3 whole power 4 into R square. R is equals to 1 by 9 whole square. Clear? Yes. Now here see that 1 by 1 by 3, which means in the denominator also again we are having that fraction. So that fraction become as reciprocal. Then here 1 by 3 become as 3 by 1, which means 3. 3 power 4 into 1 by 9 whole square. Okay ma? Now simplification. 3 power 4 means 3 multiplied itself by. 3 power 4 means 3 multiplied itself by 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 3 is 9 and here 3 3 is 9. Again 9 9 is 81. Clear? Finally, what is the value of 3 power 4 ma? 81, which is equals to 81 into 1 by here 9 square. Why? Because the formula is 1 by a whole power n is equals to 1 by a power n formula we have to apply here. Okay. Here also we applied the same formula, no? Here 3 power 4. Okay. Now see that which is equals to 81 by 9 square. So that's what here they given, no? Directly they given as which is equals to 81 by 9 square means 9 into 9 only, no? Otherwise 81 by 9 9 is 81, which is equals to 1. Okay ma, any value we can write, but here as per that options what they given here 81 by 9 into 9. That's why here option C is correct. After simplification if they will give that options means then the answer is 1. But here simplification not given, no? So that's why here just 81 by 9 into 9, that is sufficient. Okay. Yes. Question number 3. What is that here? If 4 cube into 2 power 6 into 8 square is equal to 64 power x. Okay. Next 3 power 6 into 9 cube into 27 square is equal to 729 power y. Okay. Then x plus y by xy whole cube of 54. So from this one what we can understand? Here first we need to find that x value. Here x is there, no? 64 power x. Okay. So first to find that x value, next to find that y value. After we need to simplify that x plus y by xy whole cube. Okay ma? Now see here. 4 cube into 2 power 6 into 8 square is equal to 64 power x. Okay. How we can write that? Here see that a factorization we have to write. 4 how we can write that? 4 we can write it as 2 into 2. Yes or no ma? 2 2 is 4. Okay. That's why here 2 square whole cube. Into here already 2 is there, no? So write it as 2 power 6 into 8. How we can write? 2 2 is 4 into 2. 4 2 is 8. So here 2 how many times they given here? 2 how many times repeated? 3 times repeated. So that's why here a 2 cube whole square, which is equals to 64. 64, that is 2 digit number, no? So if you don't know that, this is the power of 2 power 6. Okay, if you doesn't know that, then no problem. See here. 230 to 64. Clear ma? Next 2 16s 32. 2 8s 16. 2 4s 8. 2 2s 4. Clear? Now here how many times 2 repeated? See that 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times, which is equals to 2 power 6. Am I clear? So finally which is equals to 2 power 6 whole power x. Understand? See here ma, here first one of the formula we have to apply, that is, see that this is in the form of a power m whole power n, and this is a power m whole power n, a power m whole power n. Okay, same formula only, no? So that's why first apply here a power m whole power n is equals to a power m into n is equals to a power mn. Understand ma? So that formula here we have to apply that. Okay. Now see. 2 power, here 2 into 3 into 2 power 6 only, no? So write it as it is. 2 power 3 into 2 is equals to 2 power 6 into x. Okay. Now say that 2 power 2 3 6 into 2 power 6 into 2 power 6, which is equals to here 2 power 6 into x is equal to 6x. Okay, ma? Now say that. Now this is in the form of a power m into a power n into a power n. Sorry, a power m into a power m into a power m. Okay, why? Because all are having m is equals to same value 6, 6, 6 only, no? That's why here we can write that formula. Here we can apply the formula, that is a power m into b power n. Sorry, a power m into a power n, which is equals to a power m plus n. A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n formula we have to apply here. See here, a power m into a power n into a power some x. Okay, which is in the form of a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Okay, apply that formula here. 2 power, just add all the exponents, 6, again 6, which is equals to 2 power 6x. Okay, after that 2 power 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 6 18, which is equals to 2 power 6x. Okay, here we got that 2 power 18 is equals to 2 power 6x. Just observe that, ma, when we can say that LHS and RHS should be equal, those two sides also having that same value, then only we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, but here say that here 18 is there, here 6 power x is there, but bases are same. Okay, that's why here as the bases are equal, then their exponents must be equal. Then their exponents must be equal. As the bases are equal, as the bases are equal, then their exponents must be equal. Okay, here bases are equal, no? That's why just equate that exponents. Then here 18 is equal to 6x, then x is equals to 18 by 6, 6 ones, and here 6 3s 18. Then finally x is equals to 3. What is the value of x, ma? Here x is equals to 3. Okay, now find that y value. So find that y value. Here what they given? 3 power 6 into, see that. Now 3 power 6 into 9 cube into 27 square. 9 cube into 27 square, which is equals to, okay, 729 power y. 729 power y. Okay, ma. Here also just write all the numbers as the powers of 3. Okay, here say that 3 power 6, write it as it is 3 power 6. And we know that 9 we can write it as 3 into 3. Okay, ma, that's why here 3 square whole cube, which is equals to 3 square only, no? 3 into 3. And here 27 we can write it as 3 cube. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Clear, ma? So here 3 repeated here 3 times. That's why here 3 cube whole square, which is equals to 729. 729, just you have to take that prime factorization. 729 divisible by 3. 3 2 6, and here 12, 3 4s 12, and here 3 3s 9. Next 3 8s 24 ones, 81s. Next 3 2 6, 3 7s 21. Next 3 9s 27. 3 3s 9. 3 1s 3. Clear, ma? Then here how we can write that 729? 729 we can write the power of 3 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 power 6. 3 power 6 value is 729. Just substitute that. 3 power 6. Okay. Now here say that. 3 power 6 whole power y. Now again same formulas we have to apply that. 3 power 6 into here 3 power 2 into 3 into 3 power 3 into 2, which is equals to 3 power 6 into y. Which formula we applied ma here? Here again we applied that a power m whole power n is equals to a power m into n formula here we applied. Understand? Yes. Now here 3 power 6 into 3 power 2, 3, 6. Again 3 power 6, which is equals to 3 power 6y. Clear? Yes. Now here 3 power 6 plus 6 plus 6. Directly we can add that all the values, no? Why? Because this is under the formula a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. A power m plus n. Okay ma? Now here see that 3 power 6 plus 6 plus 6, again 18 is equals to 3 power 6y. Again we are having that as the bases are equal, then their exponents must be equal. That's why here 6y is equal to 18. Okay. Here see that from this one y is equals to 18 by 6, 6 ones and 6 3s 18. So which is equals to 3. Finally, what is the value of y ma here? Y, therefore y is equals to 3. And similarly, x value also we got no here. X is also equals to 3. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3. Now we need to find the value of, what value we are going to find here? That is x plus y by xy whole cube of 54. X plus y by xy whole cube of 54. Of 54 means that is nothing but multiplication by 54 only, no? Yes. Now here x is equals to 3, y is equals to 3. And x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. Whole cube into 54. Okay. Now here 3 plus 3 is 6. By 3, 3 is 9. And it is repeated 3 times. Okay. Then here simply we can write it as 6 by 9 into 6 by 9 into 6 by 9 into 54. Okay ma. Now cancellation, say that 9 ones 9 6 54. Clear? Next cancellation. 3 3s 9 3 2 6. Okay. Again 3 3s 9 3 2 6. Okay. 3 3s 9 3 2 6. Next, any other cancellations? Yes, of course, cancellations there. 3 ones 3 2s. Is there any other? Yes, 3 ones, 3 2s. Okay, ma. After that cancellation, here we will get that one as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Which is equals to 2 2s 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s 16. Finally, the answer is 16. Okay, ma. Step by step, we have to simplify that. Okay, 16 means again they given as the power of 2. Okay, 16, how we can write? 16 we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s 16, which is equals to 2 power 4. Okay, finally what is that answer ma here? Answer is 2 power 4. Okay, option C is satisfying. Yes. Next question number 4. What is that question number 4 here? If x, y and z are first 3 consecutive multiples of 1. Okay, x, y, z are the numbers and those 3 numbers are the first 3 consecutive multiples of 1. Okay, next then minus 1 power x plus minus 1 power y plus 10,000 plus minus 1 power z plus minus 1 power y. Okay, this value we need to find out. Now see here, first 3 multiples of 1 are just 3 multiples means 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 1 into 2 is equals to 2. 1 into 3 is equals to 3. Consecutive multiples now. 1 1's 1, 1 2's 2, 1 3's 3. Okay. Now see here. Now, since x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2, z is equals to 3. Why? Because x, y, z are first 3 consecutive multiples of 1. Okay, that was given in question. Now here see that, just simplify, minus 1 power x plus minus 1 power y. plus 10,000 plus minus 1 power z plus minus 1 power y. This value we need to find out. Okay. Now see here. Minus 1 power x is equal to 1 plus minus 1 power y is equals to 2. Okay. Plus 10,000 plus minus 1 power z is equals to 3 plus minus 1 power y is equals to 2. Clear ma? Now simplify that. Minus 1 power 1, which means minus 1 only one time is there. So its value is again equals to minus 1. Okay. Plus minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square means minus 1 multiplied itself by how many times ma? 2 times. So 2 times negative number should be multiplied itself means that one become as positive only, no? Minus into minus plus. So here we will get it as minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1. So which is equal to plus 1. Plus here 10,000 plus of here minus 1 whole cube. Minus 1 whole cube means odd number of times means again you will get it as minus 1 only, no? Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. 1 into 1 always you will get it as 1 only. So finally we will get here minus 1. Okay. And here plus of minus 1 plus and here minus 1 whole square. Here we will get it as plus 1. Okay. Now see that plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. Plus 1 minus 1 0. Again plus 1 minus 1 0. Finally what we are having here answer ma? 10,000. What is that answer here? 10,000. Which option is correct here? Yes. Option C is correct. That is 10,000. Okay. Yes. Next question number 5. If A is equals to minus 2 power 8 into 3 power 2. Okay. And in the same way, here they given that B is equals to minus 2 power 4 into minus 3 power 4. Just we have to comparison between those two exponential forms. Okay. Now here see that A is equals to minus 2 power 8 into 3 power 2. Okay. Then what we will get ma here? Minus 2. Yes. Minus 2 power 8 into 3 square. Okay. How we can write this one? Just we have to take this one as, now here say that ma. Minus 2 power 8. Okay. 8 is even only, no? 8 is even. Then minus 2 power 8 is equals to 2 power 8. Why? Because even number of times it is in multiplication means here we will get it as plus 8. Plus 1 only, no? So that's why here minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. So that's why here 8 times minus it should be multiplied itself by 8 times means then again we will get it as a positive only. So that's why here that is 2 power 8 into 3 square. Okay, ma, this is the value of A here. Now, B value, see that B is equals to minus 2 power 4. Minus 2 power 4 means here again 4 is even. Okay, then here minus 2 power 4 is equals to plus 2 power 4 and minus 3 power 4 is equals to plus 3 power 4. Okay, why? Because here 4 is even. That's why 2 power 4 into 3 power 4. Okay, now see that here 2 power 4 whole square. Shall we write like this one ma? 2 power 4 whole square. Okay, here 2 power 4 only there. And here 3 square whole square. Shall we write it, no? Okay, then it will take that more time. Just compare that 2 power 8 and 2 power 4. Then what we will get ma here? 2 power 4 is equals to 16. Okay, and here 2 power 4 whole square, which is equals to 16 square. 16 16 is 256. Its value is 256. Okay, see here ma. Then here A is equals to 2 power 8 means 256 into 3 3 is 9. Okay, and here B is equals to 2 power 4 16 into 3 power 4, that is 81. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. Okay, now simplification say that 9 6 54, 9 5 is 45 plus 5 50, 9 2 is 18 plus 5 which is equals to 23, 2304. This is the value of A. Okay, next come to this one. Here B is equals to 16 ones is 16. Yeah, okay, 16 ones is 16 and 16 eights is equals to here. Yes, see here ma. 16 1 16. Okay, and in the same way 16 eights is equals to 128. Okay, see here 128 plus 1 129. Okay, 1296. Now compare these to what we are getting here. Here A is equals to 2304. 2304 is greater than 1296 since A is greater than B. Okay, finally what is that answer ma? A is greater than B. Okay, which option is satisfying? Option A is satisfying, that is A is greater than B. Okay. So children, in this video we discussed up to 5 questions no ma. The leftover questions from that worksheet 1 we will discuss in that next video. Okay, thank you all.